Hello, welcome to The Perspective. We created king character in previous video. Now we are going to create a assassin character from a AAA game. You can download modified and original character. Link is in description. I'm going to import character in 3D. So there are problem like we can't edit it properly because there are many chunks in this character. You can see if we edit our character, and I'm going to select face, but we can't select it completely because there are chunks everywhere. Now I'm going to merge all the vertices. Select merge by distance. Now you can see chunks are connected with one another. I hide the face and I'm going to hide eyes, but I'm going to delete this mouth. This is inside of mouth, like teeth and tongues. I don't need it in this particular model because I'm going to use it in Unity. So you can do some experiment. You can remove vertices or extra vertices there. I am doing this because we need less vertices if we want to put a character in Unity 3D. Other problem is its texture. You can download a software GIMP, GIMP. It is totally free. You can edit DDS file. You can convert a DDS picture into PNG or JPG or other forms. So there are copyrights on this character. I'm going to change its face or in this facial texture by using any 3D software. Now I'm using Krita. You can use a healing tool to change some texture. This is tutorial for those who want to change some AAA games assets and they want to use them in their games. Now it's time to select edited texture. I'm going to create some modification on face by selecting nose. It's time to rename all the texture we added. So all the edited texture, I'm going to rename it by removing and undoing it because some texture we need, some texture we don't need. There is some texture complexity, so I'm going to export my 3D model and I will import later with less complexity. I just renew my all scene. I'm going to import my character here. Now I'm going to change or editing body or cloth meshes. You can simply add or remove all the vertices there. Now it's time to change texture. Like I'm going to grab a texture in Krita photo editor. You can use Photoshop. You can blend a background texture with front texture. If you know how to use Krita, I will make a tutorial, basic tutorial on my page, on my group or on my YouTube. So I just edit all the textures there. You can see our character is completely changed. Now it's time to rig our character. You can rig it manually. You can see my tutorial on my channel and you can learn how to rig a character manually. Right now I'm going to use Mixamo, but there are some problems there. You can simply fix this problem by weight paint method. You can simply select bones, then mesh, and go to weight paint. You can see a tutorial on weight paint method in my previous video. I will put link in description. Right now I'm selecting face bone and I'm going to move that bone and fixing all the meshes on face area. There is also mesh problems in legs. When you rig a character on Mixamo, there are a bundle of problems there. You can fix it by using weight paint method. See you in next tutorial.